Hi, this is Travis with the Sierra Avalanche Center, and here's our State of the Snowpack for Friday, January 12th. It's been an active week both for weather and avalanches. We've had a few storms that have deposited enough new snow to cause new snow avalanche concerns, but then also they've loaded a weak snowpack, so we've had an elevated avalanche danger all week long. I should clarify that the Sierra Avalanche Center does not forecast for our regional ski resorts. We forecast for recreational backcountry use. If I click over to the observations map, you'll see that this week, virtually all of the observations we've received have either had avalanches observed or other signs of instability. The red dots indicate avalanches, and the orange dots are where people saw other signs of instability. Here's an example of one of the avalanches that was reported to us this week. This one was remote triggered by some snowmobilers who thankfully were well out of the runout zone at the bottom, and they collapsed the weak layers in the snow. That collapse then traveled upslope into avalanche terrain and produced this very deep crown. And here's an example of an observation that has other signs of instability. This is a shooting crack where the snowpack collapsed, and that collapse traveled over 100 feet away. And the evidence is left with that long crack that you see in the image there. Here's a good photo that somebody took of their snow pit from this week. And you see down towards the bottom of the snowpack, that's the ground right there. There are two weak layers with a crust in between them, and they've removed the weak snow with their hands there, but it would have been weak sugary grains that almost fell right out of the snowpack. So you can imagine with new snow loading on top of that, that's what's producing these large avalanches this week. There's another storm forecast to impact the region this weekend. There could be enough new snow for new snow avalanche concerns like wind slab and storm slab, but remember that this is landing on top of a weak snowpack, so we're likely to have old snow avalanche concerns this weekend like persistent slabs, and these do behave differently than new snow avalanche types. They've already been remote triggered this week. So if you're out recreating this weekend, I'd recommend some wide safety margins, and in particular, watch out for overhead avalanche danger. Just because you're in the flats doesn't mean that you're out of avalanche terrain if you have overhead danger.